All right, after what might be a windy day, if you've got an older simple furnace and maybe it's not functioning, your pilot might have went out, but sometimes that right there pops and you know, that goes up through your chimney. You get a good downdraft or something blocking your chimney, you'll be in a situation where this is resettable. And that's what the service guy does. He comes here and presses that little button right there. If you hear a tiny click, that means you reset it, and chances are your system might work again. You might have these down by your burners too. This one doesn't have any down by the burners, but if they're there, check those. Those are resettable.